Okay, what we have here is the Nama juicer. That's the Nama juicer. And I'm about to put this together so we can go ahead and get this juicing started. Okay, so it comes with this. See, comes with this or organ. Comes with a strainer, and then it comes with this the body of the catch all the juice. So you got a lever here, and then okay, let's put it together. All right, put that in there. Make sure it's locked. Put that in there. Make sure it's locked in there. Okay, and then you put the top on. Okay. Here's the thing. If you don't hear that click, if it don't lock in, and sometimes it do this, it won't lock in, okay? Sometimes it do this and won't lock in, but everything is correct when it's locked in like that. So it's locked in like that, and then if it doesn't lock in, it won't cut on. So it's locked in, perfect, okay? So, but if it wasn't locked in, if it wasn't locked in, it won't cut on. See? Yeah. When you lock it, it cuts on. Unlock it, it won't cut on. So let's get this juicing started. So you're juicing with John, okay? That's the name of it. So, all right, here we go. And also you get these containers to catch the pulp. It catches the pulp. It catches the pulp and it catches the juice. So let's get it on. Get it on. All right. First thing, I can't wait. I want to see how this. This is the first time I ever juice burdock root. So let's see how it's gonna do. Let's see what it does. Grapefruit. Look at all that juice come out of that burdock. That does one slice. Woo! Grapefruit. And we got some beets. Get some beets going on. Ginger. Ginger. Excellent. So you can just break these into I forgot to cut an orange. So you got your orange. All right. Ginger. Nice and fresh. Cucumber. Sneak a lemon in the lime. The lemon in the lime. Sneak that in. See how. Okay. Let's get that burdock root in there. Get turmeric. Turmeric. call it turmeric. So see how I chew up that burdock root? That burdock root kind of hard. Yeah, it's kind of hard. Let's go ahead and throw some carrots in here. Beets, good for your heart. They're shaped like your heart too, so hey, an excellent choice. Excellent. Grapefruit. Cucumbers. Turmeric. 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 Throw them on in there. So I found out this worked for me. I lost a lot of weight doing this. Lost a lot of weight. I lost 50 pounds. So I'm trying to lose another 50. So I'm gonna continue on to do this. So yeah. I've been doing pretty good. I lost that much weight. So. Ginger, really thick. Break it up, get it in there. This juicer is pretty good. I like it. It does what it's supposed to do. Can't say enough about this machine because it's easy cleanup, pretty easy. You know, got stubborn areas in the screen, the screen part. But yeah. Other than that, overall, it's a good buy. It's a good buy. See how quick the stuff is just juicing? Just get stuck, just push it in, push it down. So more likely that's going to be too much juice for this here. So I'll move this out the way. And get a mason jar. And the good thing about this Nama juice, you can fit the 32-ounce mason jar right underneath of it. So it's pretty good. So if you see the jars, these jars here, I fill them up, put them in the refrigerator, and I drink one first thing in the morning when I wake up, and then I drink one in the evening, when I get hungry. So when I get hungry, that takes my appetite. This right here will help me not eat. So yeah. I can hear it in the comments now. Why you ain't put the strainer there? Well, we'll strain it later. We'll strain it later when I mix everything up together. Because I still have to mix this one with that one and make sure all the ingredients mix together. So I still have to do that. Okay, sometimes I stop it, go in reverse, make sure I got everything, and then I'll send it right back through. Okay, so you can see pretty dry. It's pretty dry. So let's see if we put it back through there. What you think? What do you think? We should get some more juice if we put it right back through there. Let's see. Let's see what we get. That 4. I'm curious. I'm gonna see if I can get some more juice. That 8, so let's see if we can get some more juice out of it. See how far it goes. Did it go up in? Went up a little. Hey. It did go up. Oh. Try to get all the juice I can out of this, you know. So, yeah. So it did go down. It did go up. Look at that. To rejuice it. To rejuice this. Ooh. Damn, that's like a whole damn, what? 4 ounces. 8 to 12. So you can rejuice this. Get your pulp and rejuice it. I was just checking it out and seeing how much juice I would get if I rejuice it. It's pretty cool. I got 4 more ounces out of that. Just to, look at that. So, oh yeah. That's what I would do. That's what I did. So, hey. Look at that. So, just like I said, take it in reverse. And then, going forward. So did y'all see how much it was? Now look at it. Look how little it is. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing that, rejuicing. Yeah, but that's pretty cool. I'm getting more juice. So yeah. Nama, you showing off. Yeah, it's the Nama juice. So, N-A-M-A, Nama. So, it's pretty good. It crunches everything up. So instead of the one that spins, it basically crunches up. So. Everybody see my apple cider? You know what time it is. Y'all know what time it is. So, there you go. So, I'm done with that. Alright. So, let's see how much juice I got. Yes. So that's a lot of juice. That's a lot of juice. So, okay. All right.